Follow my screen carefully. Open Settings, type Privacy, scroll down and tap More Privacy. Now tap on Permission Manager. Look for something called Physical Activity and tap it. Most people have never opened this in their life. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Show System. Notice what just appeared. Tap Google Location History. Now your phone shows all Gmail accounts signed in. Tap on Gmail account. This opens something called Timeline. This is where your movement history lives. Tap Turn Off. Here you have two options. Select a second, Turn Off and Delete Activity. Tap Next. Tap Delete. Got it. Now press back to go back to the physical activity page. Now look carefully here. If any app is listed under physical activity, tap the app and remove its access immediately. Now let me explain what all this means. Physical activity uses your phone's internal sensors. It detects when you walk, when you drive, when you stop, how long you move. And it does this without GPS. And when this sensor is linked to your Google account, Google combines it with location history. That's how Google can guess where you went, understand your routine, know when you travel, predict daily habits, and all this happens even if apps are closed, GPS is off sometimes, and you didn't open maps. And this tracking happens per Gmail account. That's how this sensor works with Google to track activity. Subscribe for more real privacy tips like this. Thanks for watching.